Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your account on the Parking Spot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the account settings button. Here you can set basic information including your first and last name. As you scroll down you can add contact info, your postal code, phone number, parking preference. Then you can add your account info or change it, including your email and password. Here you can set email subscription options, and if you would like to update any of these information, just tap on the update button down below. In a few seconds you will be able to see that your changes have been saved. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.